Okay, I'm gonna do a startup on this 1,000 horsepower Viper that you hear it run. It hasn't been started yet today. Great sound in the car. This car is virtually flawless. The only issue that I could find is there's two tiny little chips down here on the threshold. That's not even big as the tip of a pencil lead. So two little dots on a toothpick and they'd be gone forever. Other than that, there's no scratches, no dents, not even any rock chips on it. It only has 2,500 miles on it, just over. So there's just no issues with anything. It's like it came off the showroom floor. So give me a call.